Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. So I'm going to address the video that I did last week, which I have since taken down. It was called my 3 least favorite loc questions. A lot of you were not happy with my approach in that video. Some of you felt like I was coming across as if I did not want to answer your loc questions. That was definitely not the case, and I understand how it may have come across that way. So I just want to apologize to anyone who felt offended by my approach, because I certainly did not mean it that way. I'm very grateful for the interaction. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have, but there are no dumb questions, and I don't want to make it seem like that's how I feel about, you as my audience. So what I want to do in this video is just reframe my responses to those questions so you understand where I'm coming from and it's not like anything negative. So one of the most popular questions that I get is how many locs I have. I did do a video on that and I will link to it above. What I'm going to say about that is that it's not really an exact science because there are so many different factors that you have to consider. You have to consider the size of your head, you have to consider the density of your hair. I can tell you how many locs I have, but I also have very fine hair, so it's not like a one size fits all kind of thing. So when you're thinking about how big you want your locs to be, my suggestion is to not get caught up on the number. And if you have a skilled loctician working on your locs, they can probably just give you the result that you want. Because when I was starting my locs, the number did not come into play. It was just, I want this size locs, and I showed her some pictures, and that was it. Second most common question was about how long it's going to take your locs to either lock or grow. With that, it really depends on what you do with your locs. It depends on how much you manipulate them. If you're not letting them rest in the beginning, it is going to take longer for them to lock. And also just your hair texture. If your hair is very fine, if your hair is very smooth and slick, it will take longer. As far as how long it will take for your locs to grow is concerned, that depends on a bunch of different things as well. It depends on your body chemistry. A lot of that is just stuff that you can't control. My hair grows about 6 inches a year. I can't tell you for sure that the vitamins that I'm taking are helping my hair grow. So it really just is not an easy question to answer. And the last frequently asked question was why I got locs, in a derogatory tone, like, why would you get locs? My response to that was, because it's my head, number one. And this is for the people that are making like hating comments. Like, it's one thing to ask, oh, why did you get locs? What made you get locs? Like, how are they working for you? That's very different from asking, why did you get locs, in a sneering tone. I got locs because I wanted to try the style. It's a very easy way for me to manage my extra fine hair. And it's just like a way for me to embrace and accept my African heritage. And there are a lot of people that feel like if you have a certain texture of hair, then locking it is kind of like diminishing the beauty of your hair, and I just think that's bogus. If you watched that video and you're fine with it, then yes, this is going to seem repetitive, but I just wanted to clear things up for anybody that did not like my attitude in that video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thank you for watching.